Here you go, gang. Beautiful, real deal, 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda convertible. One of the original 14 here at Mecum Auctions, Kissimmee, the Orlando area. Largest muscle car auction in the world. And most of the time when you see these, they're a cloned out 318. So this is one of the 14 real deals. Let's get a read on the sign. If you want to read the sign, you just pause it. That way you can read down through the features. But moving on, here's a little placard. Maybe this will be easier to see. Estimate is 2.5 million to 3 million. If you see, notice it's a stripe delete car. Shaker hood, lemon twist, steel wheels, saddle interior.
SS396. This is even more rare than the LS6 over here because they built fewer of these with the L78, 375 horse, 396, and 4.
And you may ask, why is there only 14 of them? But when you ordered this was what would be kind of like a sports car from Plymouth. Remember, Plymouth is a part of the Chrysler Group, a distant third. But one of these cars would set you back more money than the most expensive Cadillac at the time. That's why there was only 14, and I'm not sure of the number. I think there was only 9 in 71. So you're looking about, some 23 units were ever made in convertibles in the Cuda. And, well, there you go. Now you can tell people you've seen one. It's the first one I've ever seen. So there you go, guys. A real deal 1970 Hemi Cuda convertible shaker hood car in high impact lemon twist. Gauze Garage, thank you much.